Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now today's video is on how to make avocado oil using sunflower oil. First and foremost, you get avocados that are very ripe. Then the sunflower oil, this is today's oil of choice. You could use other oils, but I prefer sunflower oil. First, you start off by washing the avocados. Most of the time they are dusty. Overripe avocados, if you know what I mean. Now use your knife to cut in. Now because these avocados are overripe, it has tendency of some part of it being spoiled. You understand? So you have to be careful when cutting it. Now I prefer to use my fingers because sometimes using spoon it breaks it off because it's an overripe avocado. So when you're taking out the avocado itself, you have to try to avoid the parts that look spoiled. Yes, can you see? Yeah, you take out, you see that part is spoiled, so I'm taking it out. Yes, I'm not going to, it's not going to be part of the oil. Take out the part that is good, you know, because it's overripe, so it has that tendency. Good. So you take it out. That is it, taking it out and then taking out the avocado. Now I'm laying it on a flat tray because I'm using the natural sunlight to do the drying. Now in Port Harcourt, the rains are not so much, so the weather is kind of dry and there's a lot of sun, so I'll just do the natural this thing. Now I'm doing that, I'm spreading the avocado so that it could easily get dried under the sun. I'm spreading it on the flat tray, I'm using a rubber tray to do that. Now after drying, this is what you get. The color becomes dark. It's no longer the avocado color. Now it has sun dried. I sun dried it for like 3 days. Yes, there is a lot of sun in Port Harcourt these days. So I sun dried it for like 3 days and this is the result. Now I'm putting it inside a container. I decided to use a bottle container. I'm putting it, immersing it into the sunflower oil. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm now pressing it properly. Can you see? I'm just using under a plastic body under. I'm pressing it into the bottle. It's good you put it in a container that is airtight, the cover as well. Now it's good you write the date because this oil is effective after 6 weeks. Now see, now if it's possible, every day be shaking it. Every day, if you remember. Meanwhile, the storage is in a drawer. Yes, try and put it in a dark place. And this is it after 6 weeks. This is what I get, my avocado oil. Now, on this channel, just stay tuned. I'll use it to make hair products. So thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.